Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, we will show you how to generate PDF with QR code from HTML template using PDF.co and Zapier. To showcase this function, we will use the system's built-in HTML template, and its template data. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. So, let's start the demo. First, log into your Zapier account, and click the Create Zap button. Next, we assume that you already have a trigger step. We will add a trigger so we can use the PDF.co app. Let's go ahead and add another step. Search and select PDF.co app. And choose the HTML to PDF converter. Now, let's configure the HTML to PDF converter. In the HTML template ID field, enter the system-assigned HTML template ID. You can find it in the HTML templates page in your PDF.co dashboard. For input HTML or URL to convert field, add the JSON data. Click on the Test PDF Generation from CSV or JSON button to copy the sample template data. Then type in your desired PDF output file name. Now, let's test the action to send our HTML to PDF converter data to PDF.co. The PDF.co processed our request successfully. Copy and paste the temporary URL to your browser to view the output PDF. Here's the generated PDF with QR code from HTML template. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.